Model, 2020 Citroen Berlingo Partner Driver 1.5 HDI non-runner needs engine repair 38k miles Euro 6 No Vat. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 38,016. Engine, 1499 cc BLUEHDI 100 DV5RD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner chain between camshafts snapped, needs replacing, timing belt is okay. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, alloy wheels, electric windows.